Artificial intelligence, AI, is the field of computer science dedicated to solving cognitive issues typically associated with human intelligence, such as learning, creativity, and image recognition. Modern organizations collect large amounts of data from diverse sources such as smart sensors, human-generated content, monitoring tools, and system logs. The goal of AI is to create self-learning systems that extract meaning from data. Then, AI can apply that knowledge to solve new issues in human-like ways. For example, AI technology can respond meaningfully to human conversations, create original images and text, and make decisions based on real-time data inputs. Your organization can integrate AI capabilities into your applications to improve your business processes, enhance customer experiences, and accelerate innovation. In this channel, we will learn a lot about artificial intelligence and how to make money using artificial intelligence websites. If you are interested in this field, please subscribe to the channel